Hey, hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to install VirtualBox on the MacBook Pro. So this is my brand new MacBook Pro. So I'm just trying to install a VirtualBox. So I have never installed a VirtualBox on this MacBook Pro. So this is the first time for me. So and I'm going to see what are the difficulties I'm going to face while installing the VirtualBox. So let's go together. Okay, so I'm just opened the Safari and I'm just checking uh, install VirtualBox. Sorry, VirtualBox. Okay, my bad. On Mac. So actually, this today is the first day that I'm using my MacBook. Okay, so I haven't never used a MacBook Pro in my life, so maybe I'm not good at controls. Let's see how it goes. So we should have a VirtualBox official site, so that which is a virtualbox.org, and I'm just going to go downloads. So I need to check for Mac OS. I don't see anything here. Let's say OS X hosts. Oh, it's downloading something. OS X. Is it the correct one? Yeah, seems like this is the for Mac OS. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm just double clicking it and it's opening. Okay, double click on this icon virtual.pkg. Okay, so double click on this icon. Okay, I double clicked it. This package will run a program to determine its effort. Yeah, I'm giving continue. Okay, it is will take 253.4 MB. We can change the location also, but since I don't know like how I can change and modify the destination location, I'm just installing for all the users so everyone can use it. Okay, and that's my username Homestack just for fun. I kept it, and it's asking for password, so I'm just giving my password. So install the software. And also, okay, let's take it as a part one. What I thought was I just want to install Kali Linux on this VirtualBox. So maybe I will just do it as a separate part. Okay, so the installation is done. Do you want to Oracle Virtual Installer to the trash? Yes, because I don't need the DMG file. Okay. Second, run the VirtualBox application from the applications folder. I don't see applications folder anywhere here. I mean in the Docker. So this below is so as the Docker. How I know that it's the Docker menu. So I just clicked it in options. It was like remove from dock. So if we remove it, it will be removed from this Docker alert. So I came to know this is a Docker menu. Okay. So run the VirtualBox from applications menu. So I just opened the applications menu, and where is the VirtualBox? Yeah. So here we have the VirtualBox. I'm just opening it. Yeah, so seems like the VirtualBox installation has been successfully completed. Okay, so I don't see any problem, like it's just installation has been success.
Thank you.